Jeg kan fortælle jer, kære publikum, lige da vi kom her til Skanderborg, der stod Tobias og legede lidt. Det så ikke ud, som om han øvede, men først tog han den ene, og så tog han den anden, og så tog han den tredje, og så startede han det ene håndtag. Jeg aner ikke, hvordan han gør det der, men det så eddermame godt ud. Tobias, væk med den dyre kuffert, og frem med pindene. Det er ikke, fordi vi skal hen og strikke en trøje lige nu. Vi skal have et djævlespil, eller også kaldet Diablo. Her er Tobias!
Waiting for us here.
But suddenly something seems to have happened. Everybody seems to be staring in one direction. People seem to be frightened, even terrified. I want everybody to understand. I don't understand. There are a lot of things we don't understand. I don't understand. We need answers from you. What did you expect to find? What did you expect?
There's gonna be a future.
It's your responsibility to do something about it.
Well, I have the key in my hand. All I have to find is the lock. The lock. The lock. The lock. What piece am I going to play?